So, going back to our local version of Brooklyn. Yes, Carlos Yulo, ikaw ang local version ng Brooklyn.
Ay, athlete.
Pwede, athlete.
Athlete din.
Oh. 'Di ba? Si Carlos Yulo naman, what happened was, okay, I don't know the gist of what happened, but ang alam ko lang is he wanted to be set free from the management of the mom,
Okay.
'di ba? And then nung nag-abroad siya,
Okay.
doon na sila talagang nag-all out ni Chloe girl, ng sexy ni Chloe. Local version ng Brooklyn Beckham.
Siya si Nicola.
Yeah, siya ang Nicola to Brooklyn. Siya naman si Chloe to Kaloy. Okay.
Right.
When this was going on, I feel, after watching kasi sinubaybayan ko rin yung story nila, kaya I was so into it.
Yeah. Oo. Grabe yon. Like, it was just all over everyone's news feed.
Oo, kasi nga, she loved the attention too, diba? So every time
And she
people
was
would
so
bash
feisty.
her,
Like, talagang di rin siya magbaback down eh.
Tsaka talagang nire-reply niya yung mommy. Nire-reply niya sa Facebook,
yeah,
diba?
Yeah. I know, I saw some.
Ang sa akin lang is, I wish Carlos had that control. People don't like to hear that, nananay mo pa rin yan. Hindi eh.
Oo. Totoo yun. Kahit
Totoo yun,
balik-balik pa rin
nanay mo
yung
pa rin yan.
mundo.
Yes, you don't have to honor the person kung hindi talaga siya honorable.
Right,
But
right.
at least honor the role.
Oh, yeah.
Binuhay ka pa din.
Oo.
Diba? Inalagaan
Pinalaki
ka pa
ka
din.
niyan.
Pinalaki ka pa rin.
Oo.
Sinuportahan ka pa rin sa pangarap mo. Kahit hindi yun yung gusto mong klase ng suporta, sinuportahan ka pa din. So,
and the way she knew how.
oh, in the best way she knew
Oo.
how. But I think since, ito kasi yung pinanood ko nung pinanood ko yung interview ni Chloe and Carlos sa Tony Talks, the way I see it is, this girl is abandoned by her family because she's a
Right.
wild child.
Oo nga eh.
Flew to Australia.
She was emancipated or something. Yeah.
Oo. Looking for love and all. I mean, sige, troubled
Right.
child ka.
Oo.
Carlos Yulo was supported by the parents, but of course, they're gonna take a piece of the pie, diba? I
Right,
mean,
right. But is it just a piece?
yun nga, okay. But ang nangyari, the way I see it is, since ito yung narrative ko,
Oo.
ako si Chloe,
Yes, you're projecting it.
ikaw din, Kaloy.
Oo.
Ano ka ng magulang mo? I mean,
Right.
that's it.
Because that's the lens. She, alam mo yun,
Yeah.
yun na yung na-program sa kanya. So now she's projecting that.
Yeah, and I think Carlos Yulo, being a total introvert, a total shy boy who was showered with attention and affection by
Right.
this hot TikToker from
Oo,
Australia.
Oo.
I mean, pussy power.
Pussy power.
Pussy power. So, yes, I don't agree with how the mother addressed the whole issue on Facebook.
Yeah, may kasalanan silang lahat, honestly.
Oh, yun nga eh. You can't just spin it on one.
The main fact that it's online is everyone's fault.
Oh.
Kahit isa lang sa inyo, sana decided to shut up.
zip.
Like, Holy Spirit, activate. Don't just
rat, rat,
on
rat.
the keyboard, right?